Hello everyone, today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that supports automatic posting in Facebook groups without being blocked, in the fastest way. First, we need to have a list of groups where we want to post. Here, I'm using MKTUID software to scan Facebook groups as quickly as possible. We enter the keyword, select the number of groups to scan, and click Start. After scanning is complete, we can export to an Excel file to filter out public and non-moderated groups. Next, I copy the group UIDs and open MKT Care software for automatic posting. Go to Viral Marketing, then select Post to Groups. Next, we configure the posting settings, choose the content we want to post. Enter the list of Facebook group UIDs and save it. Finally, select the account and click Start. The software will automatically access the groups you want to post in and publish your content quickly and automatically. Hope you enjoy the video. If you want to experience the software, feel free to contact me for support. Rock it!